I declare today officially the first day of Christmas because I have my first Christmas party tonight with my friends. So all the Christmas madness is officially starting today. I am super excited about it though because I haven't seen some of these friends for a while now, so it's gonna be super fun to see everyone. And we're doing like a potluck style dinner and I'm in charge of the dessert, of course, so I'm gonna make like maybe 2 dozen cupcakes. I think we're gonna be like around 12 people, so 2 dozen cupcakes should be good. And what's even cooler this year is we have like a white Christmas theme, so everybody's gonna be dressed in white, and I'm gonna try to like do white cupcakes with like white decorations. I think I'm gonna try to do like snowflakes, and I also bought shredded coconuts so I can fake like snow, so it's gonna be super cute. I haven't decided what I'm wearing yet, but we're gonna do everything together. It's currently like around noon, so I have to get started right now to let time for the cupcakes to just like cool down and decorate them because I have to be there around like 5-6 o'clock. So yeah, time is gonna fly by. So let's get started. So the first thing I need and want to do is pipe some snowflakes out of chocolate to like decorate my cupcakes because I have to melt them, pipe them, and then let them enough time to like harden in the fridge. So that's why I'm doing this first, and then we're gonna make the cupcakes. So I don't need that much, but I mean enough to decorate. I think this should be enough. Definitely not perfect, like I'm not a professional baker, but I think it still looks really cute and it's gonna be yummy. Now it's time to make the cupcakes. I haven't used my stand mixer for a while, which is pretty sad because I didn't have time to bake as much as I wanted in 2024, but one of my goals for 2025 is to pick up baking a little bit more and just trying new recipes and doing the old ones that I love. Starting today, we are making cupcakes. The cupcakes are now like room temperature, so I can decorate them, and I thought I would do like a mix of things. Like I said, I have like coconut flakes and I have like sprinkles here, and I also like mini marshmallows that I had from last time when I did the hot chocolate bombs. I'm gonna maybe top some of these with the mini marshmallows, and the snowflakes are also ready. So now it's like all hard, so when you take them, it's just like coming out super easily. So this is gonna be a super cute topper too for some of them. I put frosting on all the cupcakes and now it's time to decorate. So the ones I just put like some icing with a knife with, I'm just gonna like dip them in the coconut so it makes like a little snowball. So. Yay, look, it's so cute. There you go. Now I'm just gonna let them set in the fridge before getting ready. So now that the cupcakes are done and just before starting to get ready, take a shower and everything, I prepared something fun for tonight for my friends. I am doing like a 2024 dating wrap. I don't know if you saw these on TikToks, but I found them hilarious. So that's why I decided to do one for myself and my friends tonight. I don't think I'm gonna shoot like the whole presentation as such there, but I will at least include a few clips here and there just for you to see like a little bit what I did. But I'm actually looking forward to this. I think it's gonna be fun. At that point, I think it's just better to laugh about it rather than cry about it. So that's why I wanted to just finish things up and put the last details in, and then I'm gonna go shower and choose my outfit. Hey, so I showered, I already did my hair and makeup, and now it's time to choose my outfit for tonight. I picked out like 3 options. I just picked some pieces that I found cute in my wardrobe, but I didn't try them on yet. But I wanted to show you like all these options. The first one is like this super cute tweed blazer with that white pleated skirt. I think it's gonna be so cute. I already wore this like during summer, but now I wanted to make like maybe a winter version. So this is a super cute option. Or I have this like floral ruffle skirt that I find really nice. It's like a midi skirt, and yeah, I would wear it with this like white bodysuit. So this could be like option 2. Or option 3, I also have this white ruffle blouse that I really like that I don't wear like that often, so I thought maybe tonight would be the night. And paired with this skirt that I also find super cute. So I mean, this is more like a chic vibe, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be like too much for this at this party with my friends, but I'm gonna try all 3s and then I will make a final fit check with you. Okay, so after trying all 3 looks, I went with this one because I thought it was the right mix between like classy but not too much compared to the other ones. So yeah, I really love this tweed blazer from Chicwish, and just like a tennis skirt that just makes the whole thing super cute. And I also put on some like pearl earrings to match with like everything, even the button here. So yeah, I'm really proud of this outfit. And you may think that I'm not wearing anything, but I have fleece tights and nude tights over because it's freezing out there, so I'm not going outside bare-legged. So yeah, this is the final look and I'm ready to go.